Spring is here, and that means it's time to freshen up your wardrobe and prepare it for warmer days. That's why today I would like to talk about making the most of your seasonal transition and show you how it works in practice. The Wonder Wardrobe method is based on a seasonal rotation system that allows you to refresh your wardrobe every 3-4 months by creating a specific amount of interchangeable outfits using mostly clothes you already have. It works like this. Before each season, you take all your clothes and shoes out of the storage. Then you start mixing and matching your old clothes with more recent purchases and try to find as many outfit combinations as you need. After you've created your interchangeable outfits, you put the rest of your clothes and shoes away until next season. This rotating system where you put away clothes that don't fit the season will increase the lifespan of your items, and it will also keep you entertained and away from impulse shopping. If you would like to try this method and create your seasonal interchangeable wardrobe, I'd suggest taking the free Wonder Wardrobe lesson. It will show you how easy it is to make the most of your wardrobe without spending any extra money. But let's say that you would like to add new items or new outfits to your seasonal capsule. In this case, you need to take a couple of more steps to make sure that new clothes fit well with what you already have. As an example of seasonal transition, I would like to show you a sequence of capsules I've made last year. Here's the one for winter. It includes 6 tops, 5 bottoms, 2 dresses, 1 cardigan, 2 outwear items, 2 pair of boots and a bag. And when I combine these items together, I get 32 fully interchangeable outfits. To prepare this wardrobe for spring, I had to decide what items from this winter capsule can be used next season as well. When I combine these items together, I'm getting only 7 outfits. That's obviously not enough for the season. I will need to add items to create 20 more outfits. But before looking for new clothes, I will refresh the color palette. The winter capsule's color palette was medium dark, warm and muted. I didn't include any green or dark brown items in my spring capsule, so I removed these colors from the palette. Instead, I added this fresh red and gorgeous orange. These colors will create more contrast, and overall the combinations will look brighter and lighter. Now let's take a look at how it all came together in the end. I've added 2 more tops, 3 more bottoms, 1 more dress and 2 pairs of shoes that together create 27 fully interchangeable outfits. As you can see, it's quite easy to transition and update your wardrobe from season to season. And the most important part is that this method lets you constantly refresh your wardrobe and adjust it to your needs with minimum effort and budget. Let me know if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions. Let's chat. If you like this video, please share it with someone who might find it useful as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.